What's up, YouTube? And I told myself to clap my hands, so I'm not even tripping. What's up? We're back with another video. I was reacting to another video, but it was actually so boring. I'm like, bro, I'm not gonna react, watch, or post this, bro. So we are back with a Duke Dennis video. You already know what time it is, boy. You already know what time it is. But we got the Grinch. Now this video is freaking old. But anyways, let's get to it. Cause these videos are usually always lit when he dressed up. I already know a backflip is somewhere in this, bro. A backflip in a Grinch suit is crazy.
I think I got it. I like this, though. I always want to do this. Real Christmas spirit, man.
Is he gonna be able to see from the back?
Spirit, man. I think that.
I mean, from the front.
Hopefully, it'll flaw when I'm driving. You know what I'm saying? Delivering gifts around the city, man.
Or you need still, man.
Hey, man. Shout out to Geology for sponsoring this video, man. Hey, man. Y'all look at this, man. My skin look and feel so much better, bro. Hey, look, bro. It's winter.
Oh, we got ad.
Geology. So use code. Basically, I 70 and ordered a whole Grinch costume, man. And shout out to my dog, Craig Federico. You know what I'm saying? He actually offered to give it to me for free, but I was like, nah, I'll pay for it. Just overnight it, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm a great guy. But, you know, he also gave me this free Michael Myers mask. So, you know, he really the GOAT, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna walk around and do a whole bunch of random stuff. Ask the Grinch himself. Hold on, check out the drip, man. Check out the fit check, man. You know what I'm saying? Got the Dior.
Those are clean. Those are clean.
Let me know in the comment section, though, man. 1 through 10 on the fit. I think it's a cool 8. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and get right into it.
Wait, he's slam balling in it? Is that not hard? Never mind, must be easy, man. No, people don't know I'm mean at this, bro. It's not even a flirt thing. It's just because I used to work at a trampoline place, so that's all we really did. That and flipping and wall running. If y'all know what wall running is, bro, that mess is so fun, especially once you get over the fear of falling from all up. Wow. Can somebody stop the Grinch? That's crazy. Oh my gosh, somebody stop. Like, Duke is too tall to be jumping that thing hard, bro. Oh my god, he's playing street volume. Don't even get under there. This has a freaking dang nature, bro.
What you waiting on?
Now, no way he's gonna shoot, bro. I don't even know how he's playing in this.
Yeah, you seen that? God.
Count it. Count it. That's one of those. Count it.
Hey!
Please, nobody get under him. Oh my god. Stop getting under this man, bro. Jesus Christ. He's really out here. It'd be cool to see Solomonati do this too, though. Like, this man is dead flying. I'm not gonna rewind. I want to rewind, but I'm not. I do it too much. This man be. You got it, bro. This couldn't be me. Every time he got the ball, I'm moving right out the way, bro. I'm not gonna end up in those clips. Okay, bro. Like, that was Dana from 3-point line, bro. Like, why do you keep contesting this? Why does he keep going under there? He just want to get in the body bag. Yes, just watch him, bro. Just watch him.
Yeah, check out the f***ing drip. Right?
Oh my god, I've never seen so many bodies. Oh, that's tough.
You know what I'm saying? Grinch is on doing Grinch. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, I gotta tuck this motherfucker in.
That mask is crazy.
Not a vibe.
Grinch with grills? With diamond grills? You ain't never seen that before. He paving the way.
Damn, boy. Here we go.
He really got a whole Grinch outfit. I know they not finna go get no pictures, bro.
Oh yeah, I appreciate you. You got my drip? Yeah. Okay. Hey. Okay, who he with? Gavin. Gavin?
Yo, deep voice. He like a little kid. Gavin.
I like your name better than all their names. Okay, we're live with Channel 17 News. As you can see, man, we're having a lovely day outside. All the kids, they out of school. They need to go back to school because I know their parents tired of them. But, you know, y'all have a good Christmas? Yep. Yeah. Did you have a good Christmas? Merry Christmas, you know, but it's over with now, man. Anyway, Greenville, South Carolina, you know what I'm saying? We're having a wonderful time out here downtown. It's so lovely and so nice owning your bitch.
This is crazy.
You know, hopefully y'all have great holidays. But hey, with that being said, Derek, back to you.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Y'all have a good one, man.
He's so stupid.
Hey, they actually
He did pretty good though.
these motherfuckers be on news. Hell no, bitch. Y'all be on motherfucking D-Block channel.
Can we get a picture? Hi. You look awesome.
Hey, I got the Grinches on with the Grinch outfit, man. Get what I mean? Straight dunking on your bitch ass.
That is tough, though. Is he sponsored by Supreme? Because even in their Christmas video, which I wish I would have reacted to, but I watched it.
I ain't seen you no back up in here yet.
I don't think I can. I got my wallet and shit.
That's tough.
Hey, I couldn't really,
But I didn't get over my fear of doing backflips. Like, I can do it on trampolines like nothing, but on the ground, like I can do a back handspring on the ground, but I can't do
I
no.
just posted on my Twitter yesterday that, boy, white people, boy, they don't give a fuck how cold it is. They go wear them shorts. They go wear them shorts, but they don't give a fuck. It's all three of them too got on shorts. Oh, ain't no goddamn sense, man. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I tried skateboarding before, bro. I can't do it. Like, I don't even know how to turn, bro.
That's exactly what I was looking for.
All right, my man. Hey.
I'll stick to roller skating. It's more fun anyway.
And it almost went. I wouldn't have went to go get this.
And plus, have y'all ever watched the show Scarred? That scarred me for life. My parents used to watch that. That meant you scarred me for life watching those. Like, how them people getting hurt and breaking things, bro. And the videos, oh my god, y'all don't understand. That meant scarred me for life. I will never, ever skateboard. Like, if I do, it's gonna be just riding that mess. It ain't gonna be no jumping on no rails, poles, and all that extra mess, bro. That mess is dead, bro. I'm gonna stick to roller skating, bro. I can hurt myself that way, but it's the dang show ain't gonna be as bad as skateboarding.
Hey, Granny said she liked the fucking drill, man. She said she liked the Kobe Grinches, man. Check out the fucking drill.
I love the porta potties for that.
Grinch got on.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank
Grinch.
you.
No problem.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, you too.
Mom, that was
Money.
That mask is crazy though. It's creepy, but it's crazy.
About $4,000. Word, them motherfuckers got some money. Word, they got some money. They got some money, but they ain't none of my business. I'm pocket watching like a motherfucker.
Now, ice skating is one thing I want to get into. Like, I mean, like,
But this
get
shit, hey,
into.
I kind of feel like a natural. I feel like a natural already. Watch this. Oh yeah, this shit easy. Small thing to a giant, man, you know what I'm saying? This shit look easy.
Where is this even at?
To see if I'm trash or not.
Let's see some backwards ice skate. I really want to test out spinning in ice skates, bro.
Hey, the little bike kids were saying, meow. when I sped through. I'm finna try to do some ballet. Hold on. You got that right there? Yeah, I'm official. I did a whole 360. Man, this shit tight, man. This shit tight as hell, bro. So with, man. Gonna go ahead and goddamn shit. Put this motherfucker in the closet, man. My motherfucking hair itch. Got green shit all on my face and shit. Go ahead, pack it up, man.
Ponle Samantha picture.
Take a picture. Grinch.
Samantha, suggestion. Oh, yeah. Hey. Sophia, look at me. Eso.
Like they really got this man out here taking pictures like he like some sponsored dude or something. This is too funny. See, that's the thing about homeless people, bro. Like, y'all can't really ask for money no more nowadays because everybody got money on their card. And people be having things to do, so ain't nobody got time to be going to, like, no ATM, taking out money, then coming back. Especially because some of them be, like, on the highway. And y'all know in some places like San Antonio and stuff, you miss an exit, bro, you might as well get ready to drive 20 minutes before you hit another exit, bro.
Take $5. I'm finna head to the ATM. Yep, like that. I'm on the streets, bro. It's cold as a motherfucker out here too. I'm already knowing. I'll be like that though, Oh, you say you wanna take a picture, right? Okay.
Look at that man. The Grinch.
I almost tried to
Dude, she
smile.
kind of cute though. Who the heck is that? What is? Is this like a CVS? I don't be seeing nothing like that at no CVS. What though?
I will get all this. Get them out the cold for the night. Something.
Man, I'm finna take that to Washington Street.
Hey. Huh?
You on? Hey. Make it sturdy, nigga.
Hey, boy. Well, that's about $200, boy. Word.
Give me $200. You crazy.
That's about $200 though. What you right here, my boy? Hey, go get yourself a hotel or something, man. Hey, real quick, my boy.
Serious man.
Hey, take that. You know what I'm saying? Go do something with you. You know. I appreciate you for listening to me though. You heard me right. Hey, you have a
You get a hotel too, motherfucker.
Hey, go get that motherfucker. Hey, but go get that motherfucker now. Word. Hey, I wasn't gonna record giving the money to Unc, but I know everybody was in the comments was gonna say like, did he give him the $5?
Yeah.
And shit. Hopefully he go, you know what I'm saying, do something with it. But the whole time, I know what he finna go. I know he finna go.
I wasn't even gonna say nothing, but I was thinking it, bro.
If he's smart, goddamn.
But 200, he should at least spend some of it on something.
50, save 50, and goddamn get a McChicken every day. Yep. But it's goddamn about 47 McChickens, boy. Word, boy. That's goddamn hold you, that'll hold you for about goddamn 2.5 months. Nah, a month and a half, about 47 McChickens, $50. Get you a little hotel room, whatever the case may be. But shit, what he do with that little
none of our business.
ain't none of my business, man. Word.
That boy teeth dancing, boy. Yeah, this was a quick little video. I hope y'all enjoyed that. I know I did. Appreciate y'all for watching, and until next time, peace.